The next topic that we need to learn from the chapter land is the productivity of land. Now, what do we mean by productivity of land? What do we mean by productivity of land? Is nothing but the capability of the land in producing output. How much capable the land is. Now, definitely it has some measure. How can this productivity be measured? This productivity can be measured in two ways, two different aspects of measurement. Number one is average productivity of land. What do we mean by average productivity? Very simply, average productivity means yield per hectare. Yield per hectare. Yield per hectare means whatever total output is produced divided by the total area of the land. For example, if 50 kg of output is produced from 5 hectares of land, then the average productivity is calculated as the total output divided by the total area of the land. That is 50 by 5 equals to 10 kg per hectare. This is the average productivity of land. The other concept is the marginal productivity. Now, please very carefully listen. It's a very new concept to you, the word marginal productivity. Suppose 5 hectares of land gave output of 50 kg of rice or any output. Now, the area of land increases by 1 unit, 1 additional unit. There is an increase in the area of the land by 1 unit. Whatever will be the change in output, suppose that 1 additional unit of land area allows the output to increase to 56 kg. 50 kg was from 5 hectares. Now 56 kg from 6 hectares. So 1 additional unit area gives 6 additional units of the output. So when the output, whatever amount of change in output due to 1 additional unit change in the area of the land, that amount, that 6 kg which is due to 1 additional unit of area of the land is known as marginal productivity of land. I repeat the definition: the increase or change in output from the land when the area due to the area of the land is increased by 1 additional unit. Area increases by 1 additional unit, whatever amount of change in the output is known as marginal productivity of that land. Please carefully note it, read it, repeatedly read it, learn the concept. Any doubts, revert back to me later on.